Hello everyone, it's Keesje. Welcome back. In the last 6 videos we made this notebook. So this is a traveler's notebook. Actually, this is a traveler notebook insert. We are going to make the cover for the inserts yet, but I would like to make another little journal, and this time it's going to be an art journal. So I will be using different papers. I will be using mixed media papers. I will tear some of these out, fold them in half, and then make a few signatures, and then I will sew them in an outside cover. I will be squaring these up and cut them to size. So the height of my pages was 8 1/4. I have cut the torn edge off. Now I'm lining my ruler with 8 1/2, and I will be cutting. They should be all the same size. And the width was, we'll go with the biggest width, widest width, 8 1/2. Excuse me. So I'll be cutting this 8 1/2 wide. I'm making this 9-inch wide. I can cut it to size later yet. For some reason I want it a little wider. So this is the width. So I'll be folding all of them in half. These are the 2 papers that I'm going to use for the cover of my art journal, and this is going to be my outside cover, so I'm going to put this aside. This is the inside cover. Now it's all very confusing with me saying inside and outside covers. This will go together like such. Okay? So now I am going to sew the 2 signatures of the mixed media paper in the inner cover. Okay, and today I have decided to leave every page the length as it is. So as you can see, the inner page is sticking out more than the outer page. Folded it in half. It's not necessary, but I need this to be somewhere in the middle. Now I'm pressing all my pages down, and I open it up all together, making sure that over there and over here they are aligned with the outside. So I have a clip here, a clip here. That's not going to work. And one over here. And now I'll be sewing through the middle. As you can see, I stitched through it. And I've brought the threads to the other side. So I'm going to just place, no, I think I want it over here. This way the stitches won't go. Now we're going to fold this over. Might want to hold these one in check while I try to do this. I think this will be good. I'll be sewing this as well, and then I'll be back. Okay, so they are both stitched in. Now I will be trimming the cover's edge, and let's make it a little wider. There. And we'll do the other side. See if this works out. Okay, so and now I will be putting this in here. And I'm not sure yet how. Maybe I'll glue it this time, yeah? I think I will use double-sided glue. Do you think that will work on here? Let's try that. Okay, I was a bit hasty and I already have put the double-sided tape on the edge. As you can see, it sticks. Now I'm going to put a little bit of wet glue on it, because double-sided sticky glue is very hard to adjust. As soon as it touches another surface, it sticks. Now, because of the glue stick that I added, I can manipulate it a little bit. And of course I've added a label on the front of my journal, so I'm gonna line up this here with that, press in place, and hopefully it will fold over. No, it's not going to. And I will be cutting this to size after. It is good to burnish the paper before you take it off. Now we're going to take the paper off, which can be finicky sometimes. In the end, I hope it will stay put. I haven't done this like this before, so it doesn't help that my inner cover is all wrinkly. Was this a good idea or not? Yeah, I think it's good. Okay, I'm gonna trim this. Okay, now it looks pretty neat. And this is my art journal. I will do some mixed media arts in here, and when I'm ready to give this a go, I will turn the camera on and let you come along. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time when we will be making the cover for both of them. See you next time. Bye.